Having pride in your school isn't just about fitting in, it's being part of a place where you're seen, honored, and celebrated. It is belonging to a vibrant, supportive community that inspires growth, learning, and unbreakable unity. In Dysart schools, we are proud of our schools and the high standards they set, like Shadow Ridge High School, which was named a National Blue Ribbon School. We are proud to be surrounded by passionate educators, including nearly 60 who have earned their National Board Certification, the highest and most rigorous credential an educator can have. With more than $40 million in scholarships earned and a graduation rate at 95%, our students are prepared to enter college and careers. We are proud of our environment that supports creativity. We led the entire state in Seals of Arts proficiency last year and achieved an astounding 261 this year. We are proud of the students who achieve both in the classroom and on the field of play, like the Shadow Ridge High School boys soccer squad, who earned a 6A state title. This and so much more is what makes Dysart Schools a 2-time A-rated district with 18 A-rated schools. It's not just a school, it's a family, and you'll be proud to call it yours.